Hello guys, today I will go to show how to remove this blue screen on your Windows. So let's go to our video. So if you see this like this screen, so don't panic, okay? We can remove or solve this. So firstly, check out this first. Have you reinstalled Windows recently? Newly hardware installations, old hardware components. Okay, so let's talk about first topic. What if the problem have in Windows? So simply you can reinstall Windows, but don't use same Windows setup because sometime might have problem in the setup. Example, missing some Windows files. Try Windows higher or lower version. That means if you use Windows 10, you can use Windows 7 or you can use Windows 11. But if you want same Windows setup, same Windows setup, if you want same Windows version, you can install it, but don't use the same Windows setup. Remember it, okay? So after that, have you recently added RAM to your computer? Because the RAM have different bus speeds. So sometimes your recently RAM have another bus speed and your nearby RAM have another bus speed. If you have two RAM in your motherboard, the motherboard need the same bus speed RAM. Okay. So how to check bus speed in RAM? This is an example. So in here you can see the have DDR4 3200 number. The DDR4 is the RAM type. Okay, we have different type of RAM, DDR1, DDR2, DDR3. This is the DDR4 RAM, and this bus speed is 3200. You can check out like this. Okay. The other one is your older hardware components. The main thing is the hard. Okay. If you hearing some bad sound in hard, you can rechange it. Okay. Because sometimes hard getting old. So after 5 years or 4 years, the lifetime is over in your hard. So please change it. After that, you can remove your blue screen on your Windows. So thank you for watching this, and remember this, don't waste your money. You can get rid of this blue screen by simply monitoring your computer for a small amount of money. So remember it, and subscribe my channel watching a new video. Thank you.